Hello guys, good day. Welcome back to the island of Himi. Today we have a very good weather. Ang ganda ng weather ngayon guys, kaya nakapasok tayo sa loob. So the captain decided to approach nearer to the small island kasi napakaganda ng weather ngayon guys. This is our last visit on this place. We're now looking for a summer place down to South America. So this is our last day on this place. Maliit lang siya guys, na island. So kunti lang ang populous. It is an industrial island by Iceland. Makikita nyo dito merong mga oil depot. Nilalayo nila kasi sa population yung mga depot nila kasi alam nyo naman, Iceland is a volcanic country, which is kung saan may eruption. Right at the moment, this merong volcanic na live doon sa Reykjavik na still exploding, distributing lava to the sky. So but today we are very lucky na naka-approach tayo. The purpose of the captain is mag-sightseeing lang talaga. So but there are still passengers na nagpunta ashore, but few because short time lang tayo hanggang 2 p.m. and then we will pass through another beautiful island of Iceland. Kasi this is our last final voyage in Iceland guys, because this summer is almost done. Ang weather dito magiging harsh na din. Mahihirapan na kaming mag-approach sa mga shore ng Iceland. So this is our final voyage. We will be going to Canada, Quebec and some parts of Canada for 1 month, and then down to summer place of South America. So hope you enjoy the video guys, and I'm now planning to go ashore kasi nga short visit na lang kami. So sana magustuhan nyo yung video. Just a few, kasi maliit lang naman yung island, di na kailangan wala namang, may population nga sinasabi ko pero not much, hindi ganun kadami. So thank you guys for watching.